What is going on, my friends? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another day of working on our STI hatch. Made some pretty solid progress yesterday. Today I want to continue on with that progress and get a ton more stuff installed into this bay. We do have quite a few things. ABS sensors, those calipers are going back on for now. Brake booster, all the brake lines, just a ton of stuff that you guys see right here, the ABS pump. Potentially get the headlights cleaned up. I might go through and black them out and then get the headlights back on the car. And the main thing I want to get done today is all of the wiring. So in this bag right here is pretty much the whole entire harness. There's a few harnesses that run on this side. Well, just one harness I think. And I believe this guy here goes to the ABS pump. So to be honest, I'll probably start with wiring fuse box. I was tempted or contemplating doing a fuse box relocation like we did on our Evo 8, but I'm not gonna do that on this car. It's so much work. So I'm not gonna do it on this car. We got a ton of things installed back in the bay, and then I went to the back of the shop and realized we had all the brake lines and the ABS pump. So I might have to pull some of that back off to get all those lines ran. Hopefully not. Here's how she's coming out. All the wiring's done. That fuse box was a pain in the ass to get through that little tiny asshole, but we got her. Trying to clean up the wiring, route it differently and better where we can. Wasn't so bad. ABS pump is on, brake lines are on. I need to go through and grind off paint where the grounds are. I've had issues with that before, so I want to be careful. Grind a little bit of paint off, or I'll probably just use a razor blade. And I should probably clean up the shop as well. Should a little bit messy. Everything is installed into the bay except for the engine. We do not have a complete engine to install. So let's move on to the next thing. Also, I do wish we could clean this thing up better, like wiring wise. It's not really like the Evo where it's super easy to clean up and make kind of like a tucked look. It'd take a lot of work. I'm happy with how it's coming out. I just wish it was cleaner. I do want to grab our headlights that we have for this thing and get them cleaned up. Those lenses are pretty beat. So let me show you guys what I'm gonna do and what I use to make them look brand new again. All of the OGs already know, but I'm sure there's some new people here. This right here is the golden ticket for headlights. I've been using this for like 2 years, ever since they came out with it. And I've probably gone through like 10, 15 boxes, maybe more. Probably more actually. 3 simple steps listed right on the side. Step 1, oxidation remover. There's not much oxidation on these. Step 2, you sand them. Step 3 is the actual ceramic coating. Let's get this one knocked out and I'll show you guys a side by side. So as promised, here's a before. This is a headlight we haven't touched yet. And there's an after. Literally clear as day, cannot get any better. The only bad part about having perfect clear lens is now we can see all the dirt inside. No idea how that got there, but if we do end up blacking these things out, we'll clean them out then. Let's go ahead, knock out the passenger side, get them on the car, see how beautiful these things look. Only stipulation with this headlight ceramic coat kit, you have to wait an hour before you can get it wet, so don't drive it in the rain. We won't be driving this car within the next hour. I don't think. It should be all right. Clean headlights, biggest game changer of them all. This thing's surely coming together, but I don't think there's anything else we can do tonight. I think the next thing we need to move on to, unless we can build the motor tomorrow, is maybe fixing the wide body kit. We gotta get this thing finished up. I'm keen to move on to the next project, which I don't know what that's gonna be yet, but I guess we'll see. I feel like today was a pretty short video. Apologize for that. There's a lot of stuff going on, but not that interesting to film, so I just kind of threw this thing together. If you guys want to pick up this headlight ceramic coat kit, I'll have it linked down in the description box below. Before I head out for the night, I want to show you guys everything that is coming up on this Saturday's drop. On the 6th, 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 new shirts. Let's run through exactly what we got launching. First 2 items. These things are so sick. I love the colorways on here. Here's the back, more than point A to point B. Of course, talking about all the cars. I know you guys are into cars just as much as I am. Some people buy cars just to get from home to work. We buy cars for fun because it's our passion. We got a rose with a turbo on it. Boston Apparel, Live with Passion, Fall 2021. 2 banger colorways. We'll save the sheet bent for a minute. Here is a drip tee. This thing is so sick. All black. Black shirt, matte black logo, matte black drip on the back, and my favorite part, neon green tag on the right sleeve. These 2 shirts here, man, these things are so sick. Boston on the front, on both, and these are the Fast Cars and Freedom. You guys have seen me rock these for a couple weeks now. Fast Cars and Freedom, Boston logo, the American flag. Boston Apparel is a company built on a passion for modifying cars. We recognize that without the brave men and women who walk into battle daily to protect our freedoms, we couldn't pursue the passions we hold dear. We pray for their safety and thank them for their service. May their sacrifices never go unnoticed. Next 2 are, we always call these the Hot Boy. Some nice poppy colors, white with some blue and purple. Live with Passion on the back. Here's a black one, Live with Passion on the back. Very last shirt we got is the She Bent shirt, AKA Jared's Evo 10. That is an actual photo of Jared's bent rod out of his Evo 10. She bent rod, Boston logo, Rose, because that's the car's name is Rose. Boston Apparel on the front. All proceeds of the She Bent shirt go to help Jared fund his new Evo 10 motor build, which is exciting. She's gonna be saucy. Last but not least, we decided to bring back the winter jacket and the windbreaker. We launched something similar to this a few years ago. This time they're much higher quality. Fitment is 10,000 times better. So if you got one from the previous run of windbreakers and jackets and didn't fit right, I know there was a lot of exchanges and whatnot. This time it will not be happening because the fitment on these is on point. Snow camo windbreaker, a little bit thinner material, perfect for this time of the year here in Spokane when it's like 50-ish, 50 to 60, or if it's raining. There's a pocket on the inside for your wallet, for your phone, so she don't get wet. And then here is the jacket. This thing is about 3 times as thick as the windbreaker, high quality zipper. Still have that same pocket on the inside. And this guy here is the black camo. Of course, these are to match the Evo 10. Every single order is gonna get either a free air freshener or a free jet tag while supplies last. If we run out of free things to send you guys, I apologize. First come, first serve. This Saturday, 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Super excited for this drop. Everything that we're releasing, I think is the best stuff we've ever done. First link down in the description box below. Peace out, my friends. I'll see you guys tomorrow.